This is a little MACT minute on how to do your front brake caliper. You notice you got this boot, and this boot here is part of the kit from Napa is where I got it, so it's part numbers and everything else here. But it comes with a new boot. And what we want to do is use the new boot. Let me get it here. This is the new boot. This is where it's at. So here's something I found that's really interesting. You know, getting it out ain't really that hard. You pull on it, and here's a problem. It rusts in. See how it's rusted in there? And then you got to pull this end through here, and you can push on it and help it away. But you can see how that rust is in there, and this thing is hardening, and it's not good. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to clean it out with brake clean first, and then we'll go ahead and put this new boot in with a little trick that I have. Now remember, you want to make sure that this end is here and it pops out on this side. But this is what we're going to do. It's pretty simple. One, we want to try to grease this thing up just a little bit. It's going to get messy, but it's a must. Try to stave off some of that rust. So we're going to coat this up here, get this all nice and coated up. And here's the kicker. You're going to go ahead and you're going to tie this right here. Little bit juicy on the end, but then you slide it right through here. See? Get it right through here, and this is your little tip. Just go ahead, force that in there, and then pull. Pull that string. Oops, pulled it too hard. Try it again. There we go. Pull it through. Not pull it too hard, I guess. There we go. Nice and easy. There, you got it. Remember, you don't tie it in a big knot, you just put one loop around it, that's enough. Then you can undo it, and then basically you just pull it back just a little bit, work it back, and there you go. You have it done. And now you got a little grease in there and everything else. So that's a quick tip on how to get this put in there real easy. Not that hard, but I thought I'd share it with y'all. Well, I hope you found that little tip handy. Remember, join MACTFORDEDGE on Facebook and YouTube. And remember to go to MACTgarage.com. There's lots of information on your Ford Edge there. And last but not least, Band of One's going to play some music. Mercy Girl's got a couple one-liners. And my feet hit the floor today, and I'm having a great day. And I want you to have a great day, too.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.